Good morning everyone. Today we start our ninth chapter of mathematics, that is time. Students, we hear the word time a number of times. We often hear our teachers say it's reading time or it's break time. At home, we hear our family members talk about TV time and dinner time. So, let's start the chapter and learn more about time. So students, there are two types of clock. First one is analog and second is digital clock. Now students, see, this is a clock. A clock has numbers from 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The long hand is known as the minute hand. The long hand is known as the minute hand. This is a long hand, and the short hand is known as the hour hand. This is a short hand. The hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour. The hour hand moves from one number to another number in 1 hour. When the hour hand moves from one number to the next number, the minute hand completes one round of the clock. The minute hand completes one round of the clock. So students, see, in this clock, the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand is at 5. So the time is 5 o'clock. Time is 5 o'clock. So students, see these clocks. Write the time shown on the clocks. See here, the long hand is, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 1. It means the time is 1 o'clock. Similarly, next clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 2. So the time is 2 o'clock. Next, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9. So time is 9 o'clock. And the last, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 6. It means time is 6 o'clock. Next, draw the hour hand on each clock to show the time. So student, here 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock means the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 10. So draw hand like this. This is a short hand. Okay, next 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 6. Like this. Next 8 o'clock. Again minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 8. 2 o'clock, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 2. 4 o'clock, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 4. 11 o'clock, minute hand is at 12 and our hand is at 11, like this. Okay, listen students. The period between sunrise and sunset is called a day, and the period between sunset and sunrise is called a night. We can see the moon and stars in the sky at night. The days are bright and sunny, and the nights are cool and dark. Parts of the day, there are 4 parts of the day: morning, evening, night and afternoon. So students, sunrise. When the sun rises, it is called morning. When the sun is overhead, it is called noon, afternoon. And when the sunlight starts fading, called evening. The period between noon and evening is called afternoon. So when the sun sets, it is called night. So students, fill in the blanks using the words given below. Breakfast. We do breakfast in the morning. Lunch. We do lunch in the afternoon. And dinner. We do lunch at night. Dinner at night. Write the numbers on the watch given below. Students, you know very well that a clock has numbers from 1 to 12. So, start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Next part of our chapter is days of a week. So students, there are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday is the first day of the week, Monday is the second day of the week, Tuesday is the third day of the week, Wednesday is the fourth day of the week, Thursday is the fifth day of the week, Friday is the sixth day of the week, and last Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Students, I hope you got it very well. Now let's do practice. Draw the minute hand for each clock to show the time. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock means minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 2. Hour hand is already at 2. So now we draw minute hand. Similarly, 4 o'clock, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 4. 6 o'clock, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 6. 9 o'clock, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 9. Read the clock and write the time. Students, see here, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 7. It means it is a 7 o'clock. Next clock, see, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 8. Means it is a 8 o'clock. Next clock, see, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 11. Means it is a 11 o'clock. And last one is 6 o'clock. Which day comes in between? Fill in the missing days. Which day comes between Tuesday and Thursday? So students, days of week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Means Wednesday comes between Tuesday and Thursday. Okay. Next, which day comes between Monday and Wednesday? Again start from Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Means Tuesday comes between Monday and Wednesday. And the last one is, which day comes between Friday and Sunday? Start from Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Means Saturday comes between Friday and Sunday. So students, this is all about our chapter time. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.